What's going on, YouTube? Never mind the hair on the chest, you know. Yeah. Y'all weren't supposed to see that. But in any case, I'm making another video. We all stuck at home, right? So this is the perfect opportunity to do home jobs. I did a video of me wall mounting my new TV with with no wires hanging, no cords hanging from the TV. Everything is pretty much going up with a floating wall mount. I did that video. And now the next video I'm going to do is a video on installing hardware to my bathroom drawers. Might as well get it out the way. I've been sitting on it for about 3 weeks now, being lazy. You know, everybody want to just kind of be lazy. It's a lazy time, you know. You want to sit around, play video games, watch TV. Most of the time, I don't even have to change out of my goddamn pajamas. That's just the way it is. But I decided today I need to be a little bit more productive. I do have a home workout that I will post soon using bands, because I do have bands at home. We can't go to the gym right now, so I still want to stay a little bit physical. I don't want to lose all of my muscle mass, even though I don't mind losing my stomach. That shit can go, right? Get the hell up out of here. But in any case, I'm going to flip the screen. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share and comment on my videos. I will comment back. This is just a real short, basic video. I got 2 bathrooms in my house that I am going to do. I'm just going to show you the video on how to do one. For everybody who need to add hardware today, this is adding hardware to my bathroom drawers, but you can't add hardware to your kitchen drawers or wherever it's a drawer at. I already have hardware on my kitchen. My kitchen was new, so all the hardware and everything is already on my kitchen. So now I'm just going to show you how to do a bathroom drawer, or do my whole bathroom drawers. And so you can have an idea on how to do that while everybody's sitting at home. You may want to tackle some of these home projects, right? We're going to come out of this coronavirus with everything done at home if we're lucky and if we can. All right. This is my bathroom cabinet. As you can see, the cabinets are new. The countertops have been replaced. The sink has been replaced. Faucets have been replaced. All done nice and neat. But I have no hardware, so anytime I want to open my drawer, I got to pull it from the side and open it. Kind of getting tired of that. I've been here for almost a year, so I'm adding hardware right in the center of here. Now I have this drawer. I have this bottom drawer, which is no big deal pulling that open because it don't close all the way because I got my baskets. But I'm still going to add hardware to it just to help. Now the good question is, should I add the hardware here or should I add the hardware down there? I think I'm probably going to center it, even though I probably never reach all the way down like that to pull it. This center one, of course, this doesn't open. It's just a cover because the sink is right there. And then I have this one right here, which, like I said, I got to pull it from the side to open it. I just want a big knob that I can just pull it from the center to open it. My other bathroom has way more drawers and it's way bigger. Probably not going to show that bathroom because it's both pretty much the same. This one I have 4, and there I have maybe 6, which is a total of 10, right? Now this is everything that's going to be needed. I bought these knobs. I just got it from Home Depot. I wanted some bigger knobs because I have bigger hands, so I could just be able to pull it with no problem. They had a satin finish that I like, satin nickel finish, as you can see, which is the same as my drain and the same as to match my faucet. Match my faucet also. So it matches my faucet, it matches that. Why not have the same design to match this? So this is what I'm going to replace. Now, just showing these packages always show you what you need, right? Only thing they're saying I need to help for easy installation, 11/64 inch drill as a pilot hole, right? So already, of course, I have drill bits. I got a little basic drill bit set that's commonly can be used. This is actually metal drills, but it also will drill through wood. And I had the 11/64, which I already have. So I got the hardware that I'm putting on, the knobs. I have my drill bits. I have my tape measure. I'm gonna show you why you need that. I have of course, I got my hand sanitizer. Y'all better keep that in your bathroom. I've been doing that. And of course, I got my soap, hand soap, which is antibacterial hand soap. Not just hand soap, get antibacterial hand soap. Any case, I have my drill bit with my pilot hole drill bit on it for 1164. And I have my leveler. I don't really need a leveler for this. I'm just using this to help draw a straight line. I have my more drill bits for the flathead and Phillip head. It's a nice little set. Of course, you see the color, so you know it's from Harbor Freight. And I have my pencil to make my mark, which is just make a mark in the middle of it. So that's all the things I would need to do this. And we're gonna go on to the first one. I'm gonna show you how to do one. Doing one, you're pretty much doing them all, right? So once I show you this process, you know how to do, you follow the same steps on every single one. One more thing that I do have is my step stool. Of course, I got that just so I can sit on, you know, make it comfortable. I got to stand up, right? Sit my butt on down, right? These lazy times right here. So what I'm going to do is just measure from here. Let me try to center this. Measure, you want it perfectly centered, right? So I'll take the measurements from top to bottom, and then I'll take the measurements from left to right, and I'll make it just a little plus. And in the middle of that plus symbol is where I'm going to drill the hole. Now I can't hold the camera while I do that, that's why I explained it. So I'm going to cut the camera off, I'm going to make that mark, drill that hole, and show you how it looks as a T. It's going to be perfectly centered, like I said, up and down, left and right, which is horizontal and vertical. And then drill my hole, bolt a new knob on there, and that one is done. And then you just pretty much do the same thing for all the other cabinets. So once you do one, you have the ability and the capability and the knowledge to do them all. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, as you can see, I have my crosses made. You can see that cross is made on that drawer. This cross is made on this drawer. Someone get it? There we go. And like I say, all I would have to do is drill down, drill right into the center of that cross with my 1164 anchor hole for this. And then all I would have to do is wipe this cross off with just any wipe, a little bit of water, should wipe right off. And after I wipe it off, I got my hole drilled, I wipe it off. Then all I gotta do is bolt my knob to it. So I'm going to drill the holes right quick. Then I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna show you how it look. Then I'm gonna put the knob on, show you how it look, and that'll be the end of the video. So in a minute. Now, one more thing, how I got this, like I said, I measured from here to here. All of them not going to be perfectly even. From here to here on here was 2 3/4 or 2 7/8. So I just did 2 1/2. So both of those, so that the knobs can be even. And from here to here, let me zoom out. So tight in this bathroom. I'm sorry, but from here to there was 9 1/2. So I did 4 7/8, or I did 4 3/4 for that, to do that line. And from here to here was 2 7/8, and I just did it 2 1/2. So both of those marks are in the exact perfectly middle spot of the drawers from when I put the knobs in. That's how I got those cross marks. And that's all you gotta do. It's real simple. It really only take probably 1 minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the holes in a minute. All right, now I have the holes drilled. As you can see, it's a nice size hole. Nice size hole in both. I did run into one problem. I also recommend just getting a vacuum and vacuuming this out. Clear the drawer out, get a little vacuum and vacuuming that out, which I'm going to do. I really need to get some drawer liners for this to help with all this drawer staining from me throwing my toothbrush and stuff down in there wet. You know how it is. One problem I just now noticed is that this screw is too short. As you can see, I have this face plate, or the main drawer wood, and then it's another drawer wood bolted through there. Now you have to drill through all of those pieces, and as you can see, the screw is just a little bit too short. So I may have to go and get longer screws just for these drawers. I'm glad that now I know that. But after that, all you do is put this on the front, screw the hole in right into the back of it, and you're done. It's a very simple process. For these, those screws will be long enough, because as you can see, this is a lot thinner So if I put the screw to it, the screw does stick out, but you can screw right into the hole. Do the same process, measure it, except I would only measure this piece. I don't have to measure across the whole thing, just the piece that I'm drilling on. So I would just measure from here to here and from top to bottom. And make my plus mark, drill my hole, bolt it on, and be done. After I get the screw, I will show a video of how it looks once it's done. The whole cabinet, as you can see, no hardware on it. And that will be the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the video. You got any questions, comment, and I will give advice with no problem. Thank you. All right, I finally got the screws and everything I needed. And as you can see, this is how it turned out. That is that one. That's how that one turned out. That's how the other one turned out. I know it's at a camera at an angle, but everything is nice and even. And that's how that one turned out. In which it wasn't nothing but doing that, drilling a hole, and screwing it in. It's a very simple process. For neatness, like I said before, you just want to measure it so things can be even. Not for neatness, but for evenness. That's pretty much this bathroom complete. And it looks much better with knobs on it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.